Not a chord.
So what's going on, guys? David here with you, and I wanted to first of all thank all my new subscribers here, part of my channel. I really appreciate that very much. Each and every one of you. I appreciate all my people that's been a part of my channel. Can't wait to talk with you guys in the comments. We've been busy, excited about the new year, different things like that we got going on, so excited about that. I want you guys to know that this group that I just introduced to y'all, this group is an awesome group because you get to be a part of troubleshooting issues. You get to hear other issues that people are having and the diagnosis that I'll give, the diagnosis that other people give. It's a community where technicians come together and we all help each other. Now, I know that this is starting off small, but I'm telling you, try it for yourself. If you don't like it, you can unsubscribe. You know what I mean? But it's great. You can ask the guys that has already been a part of this, Matt and Ron, coming from two different aspects of different scenarios and what they got going on in the appliance repair business. So, but yeah, everything's been going good. Been on the road, been busy. It has slowed down a little bit, which we don't mind that at all because we've been running like crazy. So, just taking the time to, do more videos and take the time to get back on here and just let you guys know what I got going on and my plans. I wish that I could have a lot of the guys that's out here now doing the appliance repair field. When I got started in this, I wish there was more guys around like there is today. But thank God there is today, and that's why I'm here doing what I'm doing, trying to reach out to you guys and let you know to come be a part of the chat group. It takes the time out of my day to be a part of this group, which I don't mind at all because I like helping you guys. But at the same time, me being a mentor or help, I've been working in the appliance repair field for 8 years. And when you become a part of this group, you got basically me there with you on the job. And you got everybody else that's a part of this group. It's like we're a team behind each other in this group. Okay, and we share advice. I share advice. We talk. There's other different parts of the group. It's just not just the tech part, but we'll communicate in different ways. So, wanted to throw that out there, let you guys know that, let you guys understand that. I do walk around a lot, so apologize, but I'm just excited about what all I got going on. We'll not be doing a live Q&A because I hate the fact that my internet's just awful. But hey, this is, like I said, now become a part of this group. Try it out. Like I said, try it out. I'm on there talking. If you don't like it, unsubscribe. You can unsubscribe. But like I said, go on there. Go to the website. I have the link below. I also had the link in the comment section. Go there. Go to the website. Follow the instructions. Click on the video. Tell you exactly what to do. Voxer is a great app. I will say this, that I do not plan on using Voxer this whole time. I'm hoping something more better come out, but it is awesome. It's an awesome app. It's a walkie-talkie app. Everybody that's a part of this group, and there will be different groups that will be sectioned off. Like I said, I told my wife, I said the conversations that we held on there today, even if nobody was on a job, if they would have just listened to the conversation that went on, they would have learned something. And that's the truth. So that's why you want to become a part of this group. All right, guys, this is David DC Appliance Repair, and I'll see you in the next video.